So this is Sean Wenders, digital coach for Union County. I want to show you how to create a random writing prompt generator. This is actually a pretty neat little concept. So what I have done is I've got three little tabs down here. You don't necessarily have to do multiple tabs. I will recommend at least two, but I'll show you what I've done. The first tab, I just have a collection of just writing prompts. Now, I haven't necessarily read all these. I found these off the web and just put them in. These are just an ongoing list of different ideas about a writing prompt. Now, what's going to happen is if I hit Control R on my keyboard, you'll see that this line right here gets changed, and it's pulling a random prompt for the day. So I can do this different for each class period. We can do 3 of these a day and just let these go through. And each time you come up with a new prompt, if you keep adding to your list, it'll just keep building. And the way this is written, it's not limited on how many you come up with. So how is this happening? Well, I have this script right here, and I'll include this in the description for you guys. But what it's doing, it's pulling from the writing prompt sheet, and it's randomly grabbing anything that's in the column A. So anything in this column, it's pulling in. And once this is written in, I don't have to worry about changing anything. It's just every time I load this up, I hit Control R, and I can generate a new one. Now, if you want to go more into this, you can add another feature. I've kind of made a little Mad Lib. So what's happening in this sentence right here is if I hit Control R, you'll see that it's actually changing up the phrasing. It's kind of making a little, like I said, a little Mad Lib that I can generate a little statement or future prompts based on these lists below. And now this isn't drawing from a different sheet. This is drawing from what I have listed underneath. Now, what I like about this is when creating like math worksheets and stuff, constantly having to change up different little things for it to make it similar for the kids to know what process to do. I can hit Control R, and Sam decides to sell milkshakes for $3.25. He sold 8. How much did he earn? Refresh it, and now I've got a new statement. And I can just change up my worksheet questions and just copy these together. And now I've got a little worksheet or test question generated based on these. So I can refresh and change this quite easily. So this is kind of handy for doing that. You can play around with that. Like I said, I'll include the little scripts in here, but I'll leave these up so you can kind of copy. Just, if you want to pause at any point, you can pause and see how that's written out. I'll actually include this so you can actually make a copy of this have this to kind of play with anyways. But that's all I have for you guys. If you would help me out, like this page, subscribe so you can keep up to date with future videos. And if you have any questions or need help with anything, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. Thanks, guys.